So what tell us say I look at woman?
No, man, my woman can't go nowhere, man. That's what I say, she's not guarded.
What tell us say you can't look at woman?
No, man, you're so confident about something. I don't really question it and I don't really elaborate about it. Because when I elaborate about it, it comes like I'm not even sure. It's the things I'm sure about. When I say it, I just slow it there. So yes, when I say I don't have to elaborate about it. Because if I elaborate about it, it may not really mean what I say.
And she's not poorly guarded.
Oh God, man, she know what kind of stupid nigga she there with. She know when she there with real life madman. That's what I say. I just say ball game, but she know when a madman I deal with the ball game.
Oh, okay. Oh my God. People, me can't do myself every night, you know. Now you. Me get you know this too much, you know. Me I hear you. Me hear this thing too much. I hear you.
But what I feel like
that 13 don't make we lose them.
well, the easy thing them they take with team. We did they climb on the board.
Try to have to focus.
The board look nice in the night, yeah.
Try first gift double.
Come in, my team. The first gift double.
First gift double chat.
First gift double team. First gift double.
Try to focus, you know.
First gift double team. First gift double.
First gift, we don't have the money go on my side.
The team. Everybody will just join the live. Watch.
Joy Jones, try to focus, you know. Can't believe so we can focus. Why she comes along underneath me? Come on, guys. First gift double. Who wants some bigger reinforcement?